Dear students, today we will discuss relation connecting the elastic constants. So in the last two classes we have studied that the deformation of a cube of bulk modulus and modulus of rigidity and Young's modulus expressions, and we have derived those expressions. We got the expressions of bulk modulus, that is k equals to 1 by 3 alpha minus 2 beta. This is a one equation, and we got another one, that is eta equals to 1 by 2 alpha plus beta, and third one, that is Young's modulus y equals to 1 by alpha. So here we got a equation. This is a 1 and this is a 2 and this is the 3. So therefore now here we will derive that relation. What are the connections are there in elastic constants? We will take from equation 1. From equation 1, alpha minus 2 beta is equals to the 3k we can write. It means we have shifted in a numerator and denominator. We have written this equation, that is alpha minus 2 beta is equals to 1 upon 3k will give, this is equation number 4. And now here from equation 2, so therefore we will write, that is also we are simply simplifying here, that is alpha plus beta equals to 1 by 2 eta. 1 by 2 eta will give name, this is the 5. And now here subtracting equation 4 from equation 5. Equation 5. So if you subtract it, then what you will get? See here I will write complete, that is alpha minus 2 beta minus of alpha minus of beta. So therefore the term becomes here, that is a 1 by 2 eta minus of 1 by 3k. So therefore here alpha get cancelled. What remains here? Minus of 2 beta, sorry, minus of 3 beta equals to 1 by 2 eta 1 by 2 eta minus of 1 by 3k. Sorry, this is the plus and this is the minus here. So we will write once again, it is 1 by 2 eta, sorry, first, that is fourth equation is there now. So then 1 by 3k minus of 1 by 2 eta. So therefore equation now here, that equation becomes, and then we are removing that negative sign, so therefore the equation becomes 2 eta minus of 3k. So now here this is the one term, and then if you simplify it again, then what you will get? You will get, that is a beta equals to, we will take a cross multiplication here, 3k minus of 2 eta, and now here 6 is there, so there, and then these 3 will write again 6k into eta or eta into k, 6 into eta into k, and then the beta equals to 3k minus of 2 eta divided by 18 eta into k. So this is the equation 6. Now multiply equation 2 by 2 and adding to equation 1, that becomes equation 2 is alpha plus beta equals to 1 by 2 eta is there. So therefore if you multiply 2, it means 2 alpha equals to 2 beta and equals to 1 by eta. So 2 get cancelled there. And now add the equation 1 here. So what is the equation 1? Equation 1 is a alpha minus 2 beta equals to 1 by 3k. 1 by 3k. So if you added, then what you will get? You will get, that is, this get cancelled, then what remains? 3 alpha you got. 3 alpha equals to 1 by eta plus 1 by 3k. 1 by eta equals to 1 by 3k. Therefore 3 alpha equals to 3k. What will get here? 3k plus eta divided by 3 eta into k. Or we can write this one, alpha equals to 3k plus eta divided by 9 eta k. 9 eta k here. Now we will take this is the one term. So now from equation 3, so what is the equation 3? That is y equals to 1 by alpha. Y is equals to 1 by alpha. We can write this one, or we can write 1 by y equals to alpha. So we'll write, for simplification I am doing this term as like this. So therefore 1 by y equals to, for this alpha value, 3k plus eta divided by 9 eta k. 3k plus eta divided by 9 eta into k. So now here for a simplification I will take here, that is 9 divided by y equals to 3k plus eta divided by eta into k. So separate the terms here. 9 divided by y equals to 3k divided by k into eta plus eta divided by eta into k. Eta get cancelled, k get cancelled. What remains now? 9 divided by y equals to 3 divided by eta plus 1 divided by k. 1 divided by k. Then this term is called as seventh term, equation 7. So this equation 7 is the relation connecting the three elastic constants. The above equation or above relation connecting the three elastic constants.